Okay, so just to recap, a class, well, let's back up. Object-oriented programming is all about constructing our programs using objects. In C#, objects come from types. One of those types is a class. We can create our own classes, however many we want in our program, and give them whatever data and behavior that we want. But that doesn't do anything until we instantiate the class and turn it into an object, and then we can use it. One of the things that's very important to understand about this code is that product 1 and product 2 are both created from the same blueprint, but they are not the same object. Just like if you had two cars that were created from the same plans, they might look the exact same in every regard, but if you break the window of one car, the window of the other car isn't going to break. That'd be silly. And the same thing is true for object-oriented programming. Product 1 and product 2 are completely two separate objects, and they have their own behavior and they have their own data.